Okay, question 10. Consider the work shown to solve for x in the following right triangle. So they have a setup here. They're solving for x. We need to see if it was done correctly or incorrectly. So on these, you just need to start solving it and see where things get different. So I'm going to set it up how we've been solving these so far. I'm going to draw my 3 triangles and see if our proportions align with theirs. So the big triangle, this right angle's F, and then we have the 2 smaller ones with H. And our big triangle, we know the hypotenuse is 2 plus 11, which is 9. And then the long leg is X. All right, let's look at the medium triangle. The hypotenuse is X, and the long leg is 11. And I can already see my sides aligning here, right? Let's look at the small triangle. The only thing we know is the short leg is 2. So that's the one we're not going to use. We only use 2 triangles when we solve these. So let's set up our proportions. We have x to 11 equals 9 to x. There we go. We can already see the difference right here. It should be 9, not 2. They picked the wrong triangle side. So which statement best describes the work shown? It was set up incorrectly, it was solved incorrectly, and there was no error. So the setup is wrong. When they solve it, we're going to cross multiply. X times x, 9 times 11. So x squared equals 99. And they did that correctly. X squared, 22. And then the next step in solving would be square root both sides. Square root of 99, they got square root of 22. So it was the setup that was wrong, and the actual right answer is the square root of 99. So set up incorrectly, square root of 99. Pretty sure that's a decimal. Where'd we mess up? X to 11, 9 to x. Correctly solve for x if there was no error. Enter the value from x above. I messed up somewhere. Trying to figure out where. 11 times 9 is... I subtracted. Did you guys catch it? This hypotenuse is 13. I did 11 minus 2. It's 11 plus 2. 9 times 13. 9 times 13. Okay, so when you're doing these, just go through your work. Even I mess up. Even your teachers mess up. It's a square root of 117. And it's usually a simple fix. But I want you guys to see that even I mess up and I just go back through my steps and I find the mistake. Oh my gosh, it's 9 times 11. You guys, I changed the wrong number. It's 13 times 11. I got rid of the 9. Over here, I should have kept the 11. See? Even I sometimes need 3 attempts. So 143. And again, it really helps if you mess up and you get the wrong answer. That's why you get 3 attempts. Because sometimes you subtract instead of add, and then you find your mistake, and then you replace the wrong number. Okay? So go through. That should be 143, 13 times 11. And it's okay to mess up Just go back and find your mistake. On your 3 attempts, you're going to get it right, just like me.